Cocoa Puffs just hit different. I know I've done some videos on like my favorite pre-workout meals, but like cereal's turning into one of my favorite pre-workout meals, and it's very easy. And I don't think that the sugar is that big of a factor, especially if you're having it before you work out. So, you know, let's get the day rolling. So this is going to be one of the last videos, probably the second to last video during this quarantine. I just want to update you guys on my fitness and my business and everything that's been going on during this quarantine. I'm about to go get a workout in, but let me update you guys real quick. So I haven't really been taking pre-workout in about a month. I'm trying to kind of get rid of the pre-workout feeling, so whenever I get back in the gym on Monday, it hits different and it hits like it's the first time again. So that is one thing I've been doing. I've been limiting myself to about 300 milligrams of caffeine a day just before my workout only, and really just drink a bang before my workout. So I've been doing that. My business, I have actually started a pre-order of the hats. It's this exact same hat with my logos on it. I will pop a picture of the hat right here. And I have two colorways. I have the America colorway, which is a white one with a blue Envision Success and a red Astute logo on the back. And then I have the black one that just says Envision Success in white, or it's in light gray, and it has the light gray Astute logo on the back. The America one actually has an American flag on it as well, and that one is going to be very limited. I think I'm only making 11 of them, and I don't think I'm going to make any more of them. So get those while you can. Then I am working on getting the hoodies made and the shorts and t-shirts made. The hoodies are almost done. The sample is almost done for that. I probably won't have a mass production of those for a couple more months, but I will show you guys the sample of it when I get a picture of it from the factory. Anyways, also my workouts have actually got a lot better. I've been squatting a lot more, and I feel like I've got a lot stronger actually. I'm down to about 161 as of yesterday. I'm trying to get down to about 155 so I can get the abs to show. And once I get there, I'm going to start bulking again, because I feel like once you get rid of that last little layer of fat, the hardest layer of fat to get rid of, the lower stomach, that it's harder for that to come back, especially if you are lean bulking. And so I'm going to start lean bulking once I get rid of all that. And I'm very excited for that because I'm ready to eat more, to be honest. Who doesn't love eating more? But anyways, I'm going to go hit a workout. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. This is kind of just going to be a vlog type video, update type video. And I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. I've been really focusing on my business, marketing my business, trying to get everything out, spread the word. Please help me spread the word. If you love the message I'm bringing towards the fitness community of envisioning success, because you have to envision success. Every single person has to envision success. I know this is a very tough time for America, but we all have to unite together. And I feel like with the reopening, it's going to help us unite together, and we just have to keep staying safe, keep social distancing. But I think that we are getting there. It is almost over. We've done a great job so far of social distancing and just getting united. So anyways, I'm going to go hit a workout. I'll catch up with you guys after the workout. I might show you a little B-roll of the workout though, so let's go. If you live in Texas, you know that this weather is probably the most bipolar weather ever. Like 2 days ago, it was sunny and like 75, and now it's like cloudy and kind of rainy and like 60. It makes no sense at all. Come on, Mother Nature, get in gear. But we're about to go hit this workout. You know, I know 6ix9ine's a snitch. I don't care what they say about him. This song is straight fire. I don't care what they say. If you're listening to this right before you work out, his stuff's so hype. It gets you going. Like, no joke. Let's go. mean, I know I mentioned that the weather's kind of like drowsy, but you know, it's kind of nice to work outside when it's like 65 degrees. So I'm currently writing up a workout plan for my first customer on astutefit.com. Check it out. I do have personal training available now, and it is going to be available for about 20 customers to start. And if as long as that goes well, I'm going to keep adding customers. And it's only $19.99 for a full 8-week workout plan and nutritional recommendations, calories, macros, you name it. We're going to get you set and help you reach your fitness goals. So, astutefit.com, check it out and stay tuned. So, get your workout plan now. Dang, it's already 12:43. This has probably been one of the busiest days I've had since starting Astute Fit. I wrote my workout templates. I wrote a workout plan for one person, and I wrote our mission and vision statement. So check those out on astutefit.com. But I'm going to go to the grocery store and grab a few groceries. And I don't really know what else I'm going to do today. Probably Uber Eats drive for a little bit. However, I have a lot of work to do for my company. Got to get it off the ground. The first couple weeks I've heard are the hardest weeks to get your company running. So you just got to market it and you got to promote it. And you have to get the word out to every single person you possibly can. So I'll see you all in a little bit. Quick little grocery haul. We got some blueberries, some La Bandera low-carb tortillas, the best pretzels in the game, the buffalo wing pretzel crisps, some 96.4 lean ground beef, chicken tenderloins, and chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are an amazing low-fat option if you are tired of eating chicken breasts all the time. Some low-fat Greek yogurt, some fat-free cream cheese for the cheesecakes I've been making, and then some 3D energy drinks and some bananas. That's the grocery haul, but I do want to show you guys how to make my amazing pizza under 400 calories. Let me show you guys real quick. So you want to start off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees, and you want to get a Joseph's Lavish bread. You're going to take the full Lavish right here, and you're going to put it in the oven for about 5 minutes to let the sides crisp up to get that extra crispy effect. So take this Lavish right there. It should look like that. And we're going to throw it in the oven on 350 for about 5 minutes. And as we're doing that, we'll prep the other ingredients. All right, so we're going to start with our 96.4 lean ground beef, and we're going to take 4 ounces of it and go ahead and get it cooking on a pan. Always measure your meat before you cook it, because that's how you get the accurate measurements. So, all right at 4 ounces. We're going to take the meat and we're going to throw a little bit of seasoning on there. I'll show you what seasoning I use, and then we're going to throw it on the pan. I'm just going to take a little bit of the signature seasoning from Hard 8. You can kind of use whatever seasoning you want. Just throw a little bit on there just to give it a little extra flavor. Not much at all. Kind of make sure your hands are washed. But then you just want to throw it all in there and let it start cooking. I have the pan on about medium to high, just so it'll cook a little bit faster. So we got the crust, it's pretty crispy now, and we're gonna go ahead and throw half a serving of marinara sauce on there. So that comes out to about 68 grams, I think. 64 grams of this stuff on there. So, $65 right there. We're going to spread this out just like you would spread it out on a pizza. So we're going to throw 2 servings of our low-fat mozzarella cheese, which comes out to about 56 grams. So just kind of throw it all over. Right at 56. Perfect. And then we're going to take some oregano, and we're going to do a few dashes of this across the top. However much of this you want. It does add a lot of flavor to it. And then we're going to take some turkey pepperoni. And I don't have a lot of turkey pepperoni left, so I'm just going to put whatever I have left on there, which is about 16 grams, so about half a serving of that stuff. Then we're going to throw our ground beef on the top, and she should be good to go. kind of spread that ground beef across the top. Now we're going to put it in the oven for about 7 minutes until the cheese melts, and it'll be perfectly ready to go. I know I said it was under 400 calories, and that is true if you do not add ground beef, but with the ground beef and everything, 475 calories for the entire pizza. Let me get the macros pulled up for you guys. 28 grams of carbs, 18 grams of fat, and 56 grams of protein for the entire pizza. Absolutely incredible macros. Definitely give this pizza a try. If you do, comment below and let me know how you liked it. But anyways, I'm going to eat this pizza up. I'm going to show you, give you a taste test, and that'll pretty much wrap up this video today. Alright guys, the pizza just came out of the oven. It looks absolutely incredible. Look at that cheese. Let me give y'all a taste test, give y'all a rating on this thing. Like, I know I said this last time I made this pizza, but it actually tastes as good as pizza chains. So, give this a try. You will thank me later. After you try this, you will thank me later. You're going to save about 1,500 calories, because if you eat a pizza this size at Domino's, it's going to have about 1,500 calories. So you'll save at least 1,000 calories by making the pizza yourself. But definitely give this a try. My rating is like a 9.856 out of 10. It's probably the best pizza I've ever made. It's better than Quest Pizza. I know I gave Quest Pizza a lot of praise until I came by this recipe. Give this a try. This is going to wrap up the video. Anyways, if you are not already, follow my Astute account on Instagram at AstuteFit. Let me show you real quick. Follow at AstuteFit on Instagram. And stay tuned for the newest updates on product launches. The hats are available for pre-order now. So that is live. Go ahead and cop yourself a hat. My personal training is live as well. So get on all that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Sorry for not uploading so much. I will try to start uploading more now that I'm done with school and it's summertime. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.